Let's be prepared of any situation. See, in any situation, people used to ask the questions as such when we meet them at the first time. Okay, like what are you doing? Which work you are pursuing? What you really carrying it off? Okay, whom you met with, who you are. So all these are questions, and we interrogated by a circle of questions. Okay, so as such, if it tries to prepare these questions at the first and before meeting anyone as such, we will be able to answer and encounter them very easily. See, it's like the psychology and the study says that people, when they meet at the first time, they used to ask the questions only. No matter how the life is going on, how the work is going on, they never tries to ask the in the paragraphs. They used to initiate any conversation with the question, just because the question itself creates the curiosity in the listeners. Okay, that is why the speaker always used to begin with the questions. So अगर हमें भी ये चीज़ पहले से पता लग जाए और हम सारे क्वेश्चंस को प्रिपेयर कर ले, वो हम कैसे करेंगे? Just try to make out the list of the question words as what, when, where, how, whose, whom. Okay, and try to put the questions like of your own. You can put like whenever you encounter anyone. ऐसा तो होगा नहीं कि हम लोग कभी किसी से अपनी नेटिव लैंग्वेज में भी नहीं मिले होंगे. We used to met, but we met in our native language. We used to communicate in native language. That you have to make it possible in the English. Okay, so try to prepare the question words in English which you will be able to think that might the people will going to ask you these questions, so that I will be prepared at first only. So है ना हेल्पफुल चीज़. इसीलिए ये चीज़ मैंने जब मैं अपनी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग जर्नी में थी, I used to try a lot this technique, and I have gained everything from this. Okay, from asking of the questions to answering the questions, I will be able to encounter them very directly and very easily. Okay, and this technique will really going to help you a lot also. Please try this out and let me check in the comment box that how it affected you. So I'll be sharing some more tips. If you want to learn more, just follow this channel. Bye bye.